These 25-year-old headlights are honestly dangerous. Let's see if these Lasfit LEDs actually fix them.
And today we're going to be changing out our crusty, rusty lights with Lasfit. All right, I installed the headlights and you can already tell the difference in daytime. Obviously, you won't be able to tell that much, but I will show you guys in the nighttime. But for the meantime, let's go and clean this bad boy up. Now that the car's all nice and clean, now it's just time to wait the sun down so we can see what the fucking lights look like, you know, and then we're gonna give our honest review and reaction to it. It's now nighttime. We're gonna show the difference between the lights.
Alright, here's the comparison. On the left side is the factory halogen bulb, and on the right side is the new Lasfit LED. Honestly, the difference is obvious. This is what it looks like from the driver's seat. The stock light barely lights up the road, but as soon as you switch to the Lasfit side, you can see so much further down the road. It's brighter, wider, and just makes night driving feel a lot more comfortable. Now here's both LEDs installed. The whole front of the Civic looks more modern, and driving at night honestly feels like a complete different experience. It's one of those upgrades that not only changes how the car looks, but actually makes it better to drive. If you've been thinking about upgrading your headlights, I definitely recommend these. I'll leave my discount code in the description if you want to check them out. That's gonna do it for today, guys. Appreciate you guys for hanging out, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.